Are you a beginner in the legal field and struggling to reference laws and court cases accurately? You're not alone. Understanding how to correctly cite legislation and legal cases is crucial for any legal research or writing. Here are some tips to help you navigate this process with ease. First, when referencing a law, make sure to include the title of the law, the date it was enacted, and the jurisdiction it applies to. This information is essential for providing context and accuracy in your citations. When citing a court case, include the names of the parties involved, the volume and page number of the reporter where the case is published, and the year the case was decided. This information helps others locate the case easily for further research or reference. It's also important to use the correct citation format for laws and court cases. Different jurisdictions and legal fields may have specific citation styles, so be sure to familiarize yourself with the relevant format for your work. Lastly, always double-check your references for accuracy. Incorrect citations can lead to confusion or even misinterpretation of the law. Take the time to review your citations carefully before finalizing your work. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks in the legal field.